What is up everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme X7 Max or X7 Max 5G. So before starting video, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Galaxy X7 Max or X7 Max 5G, first of all you just need to open settings and then go to display and brightness. So first of all just open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.